Oh God.
Kevin said that we're gonna be on CNN News tomorrow.
Imagine putting it on
because of the fire.
Imagine putting it on Facebook and sitting in the
I'm putting this on YouTube.
Wind came by.
Oh, that would suck. I'm putting this on YouTube.
What if it just snowed right now?
Dang. That.
It would suck if it started pouring down rain.
Whoa. Oh, my finger.
No, that would just make the fire bigger.
No, it wouldn't.
Water doesn't put out fire.
Yeah, it does. Sam, move out of the way.
Selfish.
But not at Freddy's.
Let me take a selfie.
I can take pictures while I'm recording. Man, this makes me sweaty.
It's not focusing. Oh, crap.
He has a sauna, did you know that?
There we go.
Drop that bass, drop that bass, drop that bass.
We're going to be on the news tomorrow.
That would be awesome. Major
I
gas
think
line
that's what
broke.
Kevin said.
Yeah, he said we're gonna be on. Sam doesn't look at explosions.
Cool,
He just blows
cool.
stuff
Oh
up
yeah,
and
cool people don't look at explosions. Look at the back.
Wait, dude, wait.
Cool people don't look at explosions.
Dude, I